Welcome to second session of the tutorial. Hoping you clearly understood the glass bottle modeling part. Next, start the process of adding glass material and lights without delay. First of all, go to Viewport Shading and choose Display Render View. You can see our model changed to a blackish shade, because there is no lights on the scene now. But don't worry. It will look as good as real after customization. For now, let's add a plane to the scene, which will act as a base for bottle. Scale the plane with S and dragging. Again scale it. Then add an area light. Scale and position it like this. Duplicate the area light. Then rotate and position it to in opposite side. Change the power value of one light to 1000 and another to 500. You can see the model is looking like a white object without any color. Go to Render Properties, change the render engine to cycles. Select the bottle and go to Material Properties, click on New. Change the base color to any desirable color and pull down the right sidebar towards black a little bit. Change the roughness value to 0. Because we don't need any roughness and bumps in the bottle. Now it's looking like a plastic. Change transmission weight to 1. Because we can see through a glass. You can see we are getting some noise in render. To adjust this, go to Render Properties and change the Viewport Noise Threshold to 0.01. Let's prepare a soft box environment for the bottle. Select the plane and downscale it like this. Go to Edit Mode. Select Edge Mode. Select Edge. Extrude with E and Z. We have already discussed about these shortcuts in previous video. Select the middle edge again and apply bevel like this. Increase the segments from Operation Panel. Go to Object Mode. Scale in Y-axis like this using Scale tool. Zoom the viewport with mouse scroll. Right-click and apply Shade Smooth to the modified plane. Now you can see a very nice render of a glass bottle. In today's session, we learned to apply glass material, setting up the render engine and adding lights. In next session, I will show you how to apply label to the bottle. So stay tuned and thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe and like.